was 18 when I came to town. They called it the summer of love. They were burning babies, burning flags, the Hawks against the Dove. And I took a job in a steaming, went down on Cauldron Street, and I fell in love with a laundry girl working next to me. Sing it if you know it. She was a rare thing, fine as a beeswing, so fine I read the wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'd stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. Brown hair zigzagged around her face, a look of half surprise, like a fox caught in a headlight, there was animal in her eye. She said to me, oh, can't you see I'm not the factory kind. If you don't take me out of here, I'll lose my mind. She was a rare thing, as fine as a bee's wing, so fine I bet the wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. Town for picking down a Kent. We could tinker with the pots and pans and nicer ere we went. And I said that we might settle down and get a few acres dug, with a fire burning in the hearth and babbies on the road. She said, oh man, you foolish man, surely sounds like hell. You might be lord of half the world, you're not on me as well. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine I bet the wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay. And you wouldn't want me any other way. The last I heard, she was sleeping rough, way back in the Derby beat. A bottle of white horse in her pocket and a wolf found at her feet. And they say she even married once to a man named Romany Brown, but even a gypsy caravan must be much like settling down. And they say her flower is faded now, her brother and her bloom, but maybe that's the price he paid for the chain that you refuse. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine but the wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. If I could just taste all of her wildness now, if I could hold her in my arms today, I wouldn't want her any other way.